In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit files and documents in Google Classroom. This guide is perfect for students or anyone new to Google Classroom who wants to navigate the platform efficiently and make edits to their assignments or shared documents. First, you'll need to open Google Classroom and log in using your Google account. Ensure that you're using the correct account, especially if you have multiple Google profiles, to avoid any confusion or access issues. Once you've successfully logged in, you will see a list of all the classes you're enrolled in or teaching. Next, click on the specific class where the assignment you need to work on is located. This will bring up the class's main page where you'll see various tabs and posts related to that class. Focus on the top of your screen and look for the Classwork tab. Click on it and you'll find a list of all assignments, materials and questions that have been posted for that class. Now, scroll through the list to locate the assignment you're supposed to edit. Once you find it, click on the assignment to bring up its details and any attached files like Google Docs, Sheets or Slides. This is the document where you will make your edits. When the document opens, you can start making your edits directly. Google Classroom is seamlessly integrated with Google Drive, which means any changes you make are automatically saved. It's really a huge time saver and ensures that your work is always backed up in real time. If you need to review your changes or make further edits later, simply revisit the document and everything will be just as you left it. Once you've completed your edits and you are satisfied with your work, it's time to turn your assignment back in. Head back to the assignment page, which can easily be accessed by either closing the document or navigating back through the Google Classroom interface. Look for the Turn In button, usually located at the top right of the assignment page. Clicking this will submit your edited document to your teacher or instructor. You might also be prompted to confirm your submission, which is a good opportunity to double check that everything is in order. Editing your assignments within Google Classroom is straightforward once you get the hang of it. This process is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, ensuring that you can focus more on your work and less on navigating the platform. With these steps, you will be well prepared to handle any Google Classroom assignment with confidence. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.